Today we're going to learn how to pair your mobile device to your 718 via Bluetooth. Let's begin. Here on the center console, you're going to select the phone button. Here on the screen, you'll see the words Connect Phone. We're going to select that. On our mobile device, we're going to select Settings, Bluetooth, and then usually it's Porsche BT Bluetooth, and then the last four numbers are your VIN. That's what you're looking for. We're going to select it down here. On your phone, you'll see a Bluetooth pairing request. Select Pair. On the PCM, you'll select Accept to permit the connection. Allow favorites to sync. For this, we'll allow. And there we go. You have now connected via Bluetooth to your mobile device in your 718.